Today, we're diving headfirst into an in-depth analysis of what might be the most transformative camera launch of 2025, the all-new Sony A7V. Imagine a device so revolutionary that it could render your current gear obsolete. In the coming minutes, I'll share with you an extensive breakdown of its features and the groundbreaking innovations Sony is bringing to the hybrid shooting arena. If you're into tech innovation, hybrid photography, and state-of-the-art video production, then get ready for a deep dive into a camera that promises to overhaul the way we capture life's moments. A new era for hybrid shooting. Sony has always led the charge in digital imaging, and the forthcoming A7V is poised to solidify that reputation. Unlike previous iterations that merely nudged improvements forward, this camera appears to embody a radical departure from conventional design philosophies. While many manufacturers have been content with incremental tweaks, Sony's forthcoming device is engineered from the ground up to serve the relentless demands of both photographers and videographers. The anticipated launch window, slated between September and November 2025, with expectations of an official reveal sometime in October, positions the A7V as an eagerly awaited contender in an already fiercely competitive market. As the Northern Hemisphere warms up and outdoor shooting conditions improve, timing couldn't be better for enthusiasts and professionals to invest in a piece of tech that marries performance with versatility in a seamless manner. Let's start by unpacking the technical specifications that set the A7V apart from its rivals. At the heart of this camera lies a 33-megapixel full-frame, backside illuminated CMOS sensor. But don't let the megapixel count alone fool you. This sensor is engineered to deliver dramatically improved dynamic range and exceptional low-light performance. With its capacity to capture subtleties in shadow and detail in highlight zones, this sensor places Sony in a separate league from what we've seen in previous models and competing devices. Accompanying this sensor is the next-generation AI-enhanced autofocus system. Unlike traditional autofocus algorithms that may struggle in complex shooting scenarios, Sony's new system intelligently detects and locks onto subjects ranging from human faces to animals, birds, and even vehicles. With AI algorithms that continuously learn and adapt to your shooting habits, the camera is designed to respond faster and more accurately than ever before, ensuring that even the most fleeting moments are captured with impeccable precision. When it comes to video capabilities, the A7V doesn't disappoint. For video shooters demanding cinematic quality, the camera is engineered to deliver 4K video at 60 frames per second, oversampled from a remarkable 6K resolution. Additionally, in crop mode, there's the potential for shooting 4K video at 120 frames per second, a feature that could redefine slow-motion capture in hybrid shooting workflows. This breakthrough offers creators the flexibility to produce high frame rate content while maintaining stunning detail and clarity. Arguably, one of the most enticing aspects of this new release is the integration of cutting-edge AI technology. Sony is introducing a specialized processor, the next-generation Bions XR, which is coupled with a dedicated AI chip. This configuration does more than just speed up image processing, it fundamentally changes the way the camera interacts with the photographer. By analyzing your shooting patterns and automatically adjusting settings on the fly, the A7V essentially learns your preferences, optimizing both image quality and operational efficiency during fast-paced shooting environments. This isn't mere post-capture processing, it's a real-time system that enhances image quality even at challenging ISO levels. For low-light shooters, such as event photographers and nighttime videographers, this means you get clean, noise-free images that would have previously required extensive post-processing. This integrated approach to image stabilization and processing ensures that whether you're shooting in daylight or under the stars, every image is rendered with clarity and precision. The realm of performance enhancements is where the A7V truly flexes its muscle. One of the standout features is its in-body image stabilization system, which Sony has significantly revamped. With an impressive 8-stop capability, this stabilization technology is a game-changer for handheld shooting. Whether you're operating in unstable conditions or capturing high-speed action, the IBIS technology ensures that shaky footage and blurred images become relics of the past. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Coupled with this stabilization system is a burst shooting mode that's truly remarkable, boasting speeds between 12 to 15 frames per second when using the mechanical shutter. This means action photographers and wildlife enthusiasts can capture sequences of rapid movement with exceptional sharpness, ensuring no moment goes uncaptured. Traditional noise reduction techniques have always relied heavily on post-processing, often stripping away fine details in the process. However, the A7V's approach is fundamentally different. By integrating noise reduction directly at the sensor level, the camera is capable of processing images intelligently and in real time. The result? Images that retain astonishing levels of detail, even at high ISO settings that would previously have rendered photographs unusable due to grain. By addressing these competitive gaps with innovative solutions, Sony is not only challenging its rivals head-on but is also raising the bar for what hybrid shooting can achieve. The strategic integration of AI in both autofocus and noise reduction workflows gives the A7V an undeniable market advantage, making it the camera of choice for professionals who need versatility and uncompromised quality. While the technical prowess of the A7V is impressive, Sony has also placed considerable emphasis on user experience. The interface is designed with both the amateur and the seasoned professional in mind, blending advanced features with an accessible menu system. This ensures that regardless of your experience level, you can intuitively navigate the myriad settings. Without a steep learning curve, the camera's ergonomic design also plays a crucial role. With robust build quality, a comfortable grip, and a layout that minimizes distractions, the A7V is engineered for prolonged use. Whether you're out in the field capturing wildlife or in a studio setting focused on high-stakes shoots, the camera adapts to your workflow seamlessly. This kind of user-centric design is what differentiates a piece of technology from an indispensable tool, a philosophy that Sony has consistently maintained throughout its product line. Additionally, connectivity has been a focal point in the design of the A7V. With advanced wireless capabilities, the camera integrates seamlessly into modern digital ecosystems. Whether transferring files on the fly to a computer, streaming high-quality video directly to your preferred platform, or integrating with external devices via sophisticated apps, the A7V offers a level of connectivity that complements its hardware excellence. These enhancements mean that even remote or impromptu shooting sessions can be conducted without a hitch, boosting productivity and creative potential. Let's put all these innovations into context. The Sony A7V isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a comprehensive rethinking of what a hybrid camera can be. By marrying an ultra-high-resolution sensor with AI-driven functionalities and revolutionary noise reduction capabilities, Sony is setting a new standard for professional imaging. This is not merely a tool for capturing moments, it's a technological partner that adapts to your shooting style, learns from your habits, and continuously enhances your creative output. In a rapidly evolving landscape where content creators demand versatile gear that can seamlessly transition between photography and videography, the A7V emerges as a critical asset. It represents a convergence of hardware ingenuity and software intelligence, offering users a glimpse of the future of digital imaging. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, a digital content creator, or a cinematographer with an eye for innovation, this camera promises to elevate your work to unprecedented levels. Furthermore, with the introduction of its real-time, AI-powered noise reduction system, Sony has addressed one of the most persistent challenges in digital imaging. Traditionally, shooting in low light often meant sacrificing image quality due to noise interference. By integrating noise management directly into the sensor architecture, the A7V circumvents this trade-off, ensuring that every shot, whether captured at dawn or dusk, is rendered with exceptional clarity and depth. The A7V's ability to continuously adapt to a creator's individual style suggests that future cameras might eventually become an extension of the artist's own vision, blurring the lines between human creativity and machine intelligence. This pioneering technology could spark a host of new applications, from adaptive cinematography that dynamically adjusts to environmental conditions, to automated editing systems that refine footage in real time. Moreover, the trend toward greater connectivity and integration means that the A7V is not an isolated piece of hardware, it's part of a larger ecosystem of devices and software platforms that collectively push the boundaries of what's possible in digital content creation. With innovations like these, Sony is not merely keeping pace with the competition, they are actively shaping the future of hybrid imaging.